So having recorded our final titration volume in our lab book, 29.2, we subtract the initial volume, 0.7, and we get a titration value here of 28.5. Of course, what we need to do now is to repeat the titration and keep repeating until we get to what are called concordant values. Those are two values within 0.1 of a centimetre cubed. So we'd have to do another titration looking to get 28.5 is our titration volume there. Now, potassium hydrogen phthalate is a rather nasty chemical in terms of the environment. It has numerous problems associated with it, and the problem with it is we end up with a set of solutions like this that are then discarded. If one crystallizes out the material, you can begin to see the problem of the amount that's going into the environment. These are crystals from just one group, and potassium hydrogen phthalate there. Rather nice crystalline shape, but we don't really want to be flushing that down our sinks with the dirty waste sink there. So we've replaced potassium hydrogen phthalate with alternatives now in titrations at this level.